So today we will see different text effects in Canva. First of all, we will go to custom size and we will create a presentation. We can create a presentation from here. So we can go like this and the presentation will appear right here. So we will click over here. As soon as we click over there, our presentation design appears. As I told you in the last video, we will see the design. The name of this file is untitled. So this is our first presentation and we can say presentation 1. And now here we are seeing a hide pages. We can hide it, so we can make it more bigger. We can also hide it. And at this time this page is selected. This is why it's having purple outline. I'm clicking over here, so now nothing is purple. I can zoom this a bit. We are about to see text effects. So we can add the text box from here, or we can simply press the T on our keyboard. Here we can see this. If we want to increase its font size, we can use the best way. This is the best way, using corners to increase the size. We would also increase its length, so we can increase length like this and length like this, right? And we are going to make it uppercase, so this is uppercase now. And here we are writing text effects, and we will be using some bold text here. And one more thing, if this arrow comes and we click here 2 times, so the text box will be justified. And if we want to make it in the center, we can go to position and we can click on the middle. So this is an absolute center. Now we will see the text effects, but before we can make it bold. Now we will see the text effects. So here are different texts. This is shadow, this is lift, this is hollow, splice, outline. So here are different kinds of text effects. So what we want to see them in much beautiful way. So first of all, we are going to change the text, and here we are going to use the Anton text, Anton font. So, and now we will be increasing its size, and the best way to increase the size is corners. I'm holding the Alt button on my keyboard, and now I'm using corners, so the size of the text box will increase on the both side. Now I will apply the first text effect, that is shadow. And on clicking on the shadow, I can see the grayish color shadow. Here we can have the offset. The offset is 0, so no shadow is appearing. The direction of the shadow can also be changed. We can also blur the shadow, and we can also make it transparent or more darker. We can also change the color of the shadow. So here are different colors of the shadow which can be changed. This is the white shadow which is not visible. This is the blue. And by changing the colors, we can accordingly change these 4 options: offset, direction, blur, transparency, and we can experiment with this. So we can make the blur less, something like this. This is the first text effects. Now we are going to make use of the second one, that is lift. Lift is not used much, so it's just simple. Here we can only have intensity. Sometimes it is used to make background more darker if you are using your text on a lighter background, so we can use this, or shadow button. Now the hollow, this creates hollow text effects. This is also very simple. Here is the splice, so we can change the color right here. We are changing to it blue, so this is how it would look. Here we are having the thickness, so here we are having the offset. So if we make the offset 0, it would be like we have created a outline of the text. The offset is 100, so which is outside. The blue text is outside of the outline. We can also change the direction. Because offset is 0, no change in direction is visible. And if we change the offset to 69, the direction would be visible to us. Now we have seen, now we can come to outline. Outline is really good. So there are different ways we can create the outline. So here is, we are having thickness and colors. So if you want to create a outline of blue color and want to have white text, or maybe a red text with a blue outline, then you can have, or maybe a black outline. So here we have the black outline and it looks good. Here we are having some more text effects, which we will discuss in second part of this video, because I don't want it to be more lengthy. Oh, okay, let make it. We are having echo. So echo is not used much widely or more frequently. It can be used in different purposes, but I have not used much many times. Similarly, we can change the color. Now we are having glitch. I have not also used this glitch color, glitch text effect, but sometimes it looks good. Maybe upon changing the background would be darker. We are coming on here and we can change the colors. We can have the variation right here. So this was the glitch. And neon text effects looks good on different colors. On specific colors, it might look good on uh, with yellow color. It might also look good, but you need to play with the intensity. If intensity is not 100, then sometimes it might look very dirty, and on specific colors it might look good. So on the red it looks really good to me. So you can experiment with the text colors, and the intensity can also be used. So here it looks more bright, that's good. And this is the most widely used background. We can have the roundness here, we can have the spread, we can make it a bit shorter. So transparency of the background, the color of the background, you need to choose the text color and background color in such a way that they are creating the contrast, then they would look much good. So on the yellow background I can use the black color, That might look good. And I can use the spread as a round net should be something like this. This mostly looks good, and the spread should also be accordingly. I don't use much larger spread. So here we can see transparency is usually 100% here. The color could be changed based on what kind of background you are using. So you can experiment with background color and text color accordingly. Then it would create a very good contrast. The last text effect, which is right here, we will discuss in later video, and I will tell you how you can make use of this text effect while creating the logos. Thank you.